Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet women's sweater designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet women's sweater is a type of sweater made using the crochet technique, where yarn is looped and interlocked with a crochet hook to create fabric. Crochet women's sweaters can be lightweight or heavy, depending on the type of yarn and the stitch pattern used. They are often handmade but can also be machine product. Key features of a crochet sweater: stitch variety. Crochet allows for many textures and patterns, such as like cables or dense stitches. Customization. Handmade crochet sweaters can be tailored to specific size, colors, and designs. Materials. Typically made from wool, cotton, acrylic, or blended yarns. Styles. Crochet sweaters come in various styles, including pullovers, cardigans, oversized or fitted designs. Here are some tips for making or styling a crochet sweater. Tips for making a crochet sweater. Choose the right pattern. If you are a beginner, select a simple pattern with basic stitches. For advanced crocheters, experiment with intricate patterns like cables or legwork. Pick the right yarn, opt for wool or acrylic for cozy winter sweaters. Gauze matters. Always create a gauze swatch to interior stitches. Match the pattern's sophistications. Adjust your hook size if the gauze is not correct. Use quality tools. Invest in ergonomic crochet hooks for comfort, especially for large projects. Use stitch markers to track your progress and sections. Plan for seams. Crochet sweaters often involve multiple panels, front, back, or sleeves. Block each panel before assembly for neat ease and uniform sizing. Learn basic shaping. Practice techniques like increases, decreases, and short shows for a better fit. Follow the pattern's measurements or customize them for your body. Take breaks. Large projects like sweaters can take time, so pack yourself to avoid fatigue. Tips for styling a crochet sweater. Layering. Pair lightweight crochet sweaters with tank tops or chain necklace for added style and warmth. Use an apron for cardigan. Offer choices for a chic bohemian look. Choose complementary bottoms. Oversized sweaters look great with skinny jeans or leggings. Fitted crochet tops pair well with falling skirts or wide leg pants. Accessories. Add a belt to define the waist for oversized style. Plan with statement jewelry to scarves to elevate the look. Mix textures. Combine the textured look of crochet with smooth materials like leather or silk for contrast. Advanced tips for making a crochet sweater. Experiment with stitches. Mix stitch types like granny stitch, bubbles, or shells for unique textures. Use striped stitches for cuff, hems, and necklines for a polished look. Customize the fit. Measure yourself or the recipient to ensure a perfect fit. Add short rows at the bust or shoulders for better shaping. Color choice. Play with ombre yarns or color blocks for modern designs. Use faded yarns for a fun, multicolored look with minimal effort. Plan for durability. Use yarn that can withstand fire and washing. Machine washable blades are great. Reinforce stems with slip stitches or single crochet to ensure they last. Try seamless construction. Learn to crochet sweater in one pitch, like top down or in the round, to minimize seaming. This method often creates a smoother, more professional finish. Add unique details. Incorporate pockets, decorative buttons, or tassels for personality. Crochet and machine belts are embellished the sweater with embroidery. Block your work. Use wet blocking or steam blocking to relax stitches and improve the garment's shape. Ensure each piece tries to the exact measurements before assembling. Creative styling tips for crochet sweaters. Play with layers. For cropped crochet sweaters over dresses or high-waisted jeans. Style oversized crochet cardigans as a coat alternative. Pair with textures. Combine chunky crochet sweaters with smooth fox leather skirts or pants. Use crochet overalls or bralettes under cardigans for a boho pipe. Experiment with sleeve styles. Build or puff sleeves crochet sweaters add drama and elegance to your outfit. Roll out sleeves on chunky cardigans for a casual, laid-back vibe. A crochet sweater is a type of sweater made using the crochet technique, where yarn is locked and interlocked with a crochet hook to create fabric. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!